Hey, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer from South Africa. Do you want to build and create mobile apps with React Native? Then, if your answer is yes, this is the library that you need to understand. When I started with building mobile application, let me be honest with you, I didn't understand this library. At least the way it has been architectured, it's not for beginners. It's not easy to get around it and also know things through and through. And what is worse, it uses TypeScript behind the scene. So maybe you might be a JavaScript guy, but now when it's integrating TypeScript, it's not easy to customize and modify it, because I've realized that at some point there are some things that I need to change in terms of typing this library to help it or to make it do what I want to do. This is a series where I dive deep in this library. This is what I'm going to do. I am going to go through this documentation step by step, explaining everything, starting from scratch using React Native and Expo. If this sounds interesting, if this is something that you like and also the content that you would like to consume, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Before I end this video, just a little about me. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. If you might want to ask me something, I've got an option where you can click here for a free discovery call. By the way, I've got a 10-hour coaching course where I sit down with you for 10 hours one-on-one and get you unstuck. See you on the next one.